Are you ready to do Disneyland in the rain?
Oh, Disneyland in the rain, yay! Let's go get wet.
I'm going to show you of our first day of a park hopper.
Thank you for watching. It is Himiko and Davina here, and we wanted to talk to you about our first day at Disneyland. It's Christmas here. Yeah, I see you with your little seatbelt.
See, it's this, and then you have to buckle over too.
Okay, I thought because it was raining, it wasn't going to be as packed. It's packed. It's pretty packed. I thought like, okay, 20-minute lines. It's going to be raining all day. We're going to be able to jump on every ride. Yeah, no. Hero, what ride are we going on?
Little Tiny World.
Little Tiny World. Himiko, what's the ride called?
Tiny World. I forgot. Tiny World. Wait, it's called Forgot?
I forgot.
Oh. It's not called I Forgot. I just don't know what it's for.
Chill, chick. It's a Tiny World.
Mommy thinks it's Alice in Wonderland.
Just like all hanging out.
Oh, that's the person that does the little test.
How was it for you?
It was good.
What was the best parts?
Getting the rides, buying stuff.
Uh-huh.
My favorite thing to buy was this cute dress.
Oh, yeah, we did go dress shopping for you. Okay, but on the first day, we got there and it was really rainy. So stay tuned. Watch what happens when we do Disneyland in the rain. How important is a stroller?
Really important.
But you're like 8. Why would we use a stroller when you're 8 years old?
It's really far to walk everywhere.
Yeah, so it's definitely worth it to get a stroller, even though my daughter's like super older than what you would normally put a person with a stroller in. Disneyland, you need a stroller for your kids. Trust me on this.
The pound capacity is 300.
So yeah, so we fit. We're fine.
A grown-up can fit in there as long as they want.
Let's start on the Disneyland side today because our tickets start on the California side, both mornings. So let's just go ahead and go to the Disneyland side right now.
Yay, which one's the Disneyland?
You got the other ticket? So you can hold on to this ticket too?
Yeah.
Oh, the Disneyland train!
What? The train?
Wow. I bet there's a lot of people.
Tree.
Is that Cruella?
Cruella de Vil. It is. I'm gonna take a picture.
I don't know if you can tell, but we don't like. All right, go in. Video done. Stay with here just before done. And I'll take some pictures with him and then I'll start to be on my way. But I'll stop to say hello before I go. Get your camera ready now.
So cool. Hello, we just got to our new room.
I'm tired.
We're so tired.
My back hurts.
And here's the view. Let's see it. I can't see nothing from up here. This is our view. We see the pool. You can see the Disneyland sign. What? There's robes? Are there robes for children?
Nah.
Oh, they're for baby, for mom and dad?
Adults.
Well, let's take a look at our...
Look.
Ooh, so nice. Wow, they've got the good shampoo here. Oh, they got the good shampoo, Papa. This is the spot. This is where we need to stay. Every time.
We have 4 towels. Do we need the extra blankets?
Okay. All right, let's see what we need.
I got it. It's very soaky.
Yeah, how did you stay dry?
Yes.
Web Suppliers.
Let's go.
This is the new Spider-Man exhibit. Yeah.
We got these carts and we got these raincoats and we got our umbrellas. We like on the top of the like where you see the shade thing of the Disney parks stroller. Like you can put your umbrella there, put something heavy on top.
It's a robot.
That's so great.
This is a water ride. Get wet?
No, you won't get wet. See the castle from here. I get you. How important is a stroller?
Really important.
But you're like 8. Why would we use a stroller when you're 8 years old?
It's really far to walk everywhere.
Yeah, so it's definitely worth it to get a stroller, even though my daughter's like super older than what you would normally put a person with a stroller in. Disneyland, you need a stroller for your kids. Trust me on this.
The pound capacity is 300.
So yeah, so we fit. We're fine.
A grown-up can fit in there as long as they want.
Yeah. All right, so watch our video so you can see how our trip went. Tell them, watch our video.
Watch your videos. Okay.
But anyways, my phone's about to die, so I just wanted to say goodnight, and I hope you guys all have a good, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
How you like me
Happy New
now?
Year. Happy New Weeks.
Happy New
Happy
Year.
New Weeks.